2019 Subaru WRX STI, installing mud flaps today. The reason why we are installing mud flaps is because they do not come with mud flaps, and therefore the liner wheel well right here at the base where the side skirts meet the undercarriage, there's nothing there to protect it. There's actually a foam little padding here. Here are the RokBlokz mud flaps that I'm installing. I bought them from their Amazon store. Came quick, like all Prime products do. The kit came in wrapped nicely in the plastic wrapper. The materials are pretty good. You can tell there's some quality to them. They're rigid. They're not like some of the mud flaps. I think Rally Art mud flaps, which are floppy, not a good look. These are the shorts, SHORTZ. They came with some instructions, like a thank you letter, and the photo instructions, which are photocopied. Pretty good. I mean, self-explanatory. But for $100, can't beat it. Like I said, Subaru does not offer an OEM mud flap for STIs. So be aware of that, and that's the reason for one of these. So let's try it out.